You know who's old, tired, and cranky? That's right, your good friend North Sentinel Island, and we're back here, decoding code. I think I might actually be finally done for work for the day. But it'll probably make me go back out tonight. So we'll figure that out when the time comes, and in the time before then, we got bug number 14.6. This should go away if there's something there. So let's figure out why the fuck it's there. Apologize for my language. So, landing page, index. No, that's the penguins. You should know that. If they're penguins, that's that page. So we have to go to this page. Okay, good, 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 good. If group stop length is greater than 0. So let's figure out what group stop length is. Groups, state, group. Think we have an issue. And I should know this by now. That is group. Yeah, so it's gives. So this is weird. Yeah, yeah, it's not going to load until set loaded is true. Groups, groups, state.group, and we don't have request. And that didn't solve it. Maybe these things had to go somewhere else. Let's have chat figure this out. It's not a good. I'm not in a debugging mood today. Yeah, there's a good reason why they're. No, it's. There's a really good reason why cats are wonderful pets. They eat the same food every day. They don't really like human food. Sometimes you get the look out of the draw and you get like an affectionate cat, which are nice. And even the unaffectionate ones, they sort of, well, you're kind of happy because if you want some alone time, they won't bother you. group in the state. Let's see if you can help me. The values group, same. I should know this by now. Gotcha. Objective values groups. Yeah, this is like. Okay. Object.values. Yeah, like this. Okay, so we're gonna. Yeah, and I should know it because we have that there. So we're gonna do that for you. And we're gonna do that. And that's what happens when you're that hazy area where script kiddie ends and being competent begins. Okay, so let's see what we got. Perfect. Alright. So now that bug number of 14,333 was destroyed. Let's get back to what we were originally planning to do in this ad organization. No, I don't want this address I didn't live at. And never lived at 101 Main Street. Southbound Brook. Shit factory. Making shit. Okay, so now we got. Good. Let's just play with React Main Express now. Good. So let's get everything inside of here. Don't. Nope. Go back up there. Const. Founder. So we're getting an object. Running away back up to chat. Actually, no. I have better code. I think I actually already wrote most of this. So let's just go and reuse my code instead of just using chat's code. Backend. Routes. API. Find the post route. Put routes. Post routes. Someplace where we can just want to find a way to destructure an object. We're just gonna ask chat that. There we go. Good. Good thing is I don't have any redirects, so I could always just click that button again. Group route 54. There's probably some typo. Never mind, chat. Do your thing. Do you generate? And worst comes to worst, we'll just keep looking for something to destructure. Here we go. All I need, it's all I need. So we've got founder, name, out, purpose, private, address, city, state equals rec.body. Simple this. And we're gonna have to have two of them here, I think, because we have this evil locations thing that we have to deal with. Locations, const, charities equals models, and const, what we're putting in, locations equal require models. So let's do that. Address, city, state, Latin, long. Hello, no false. Oh, this is gonna be fucking great because now we have to deal with. I mean, I'm gonna just hard code these, make up crap for that, but eventually we're gonna have to deal with GeoPandas. That's just gonna be freaking great. Alright. This is the crap that I need. So let's go back here. Figure out which one of these I need to make first. I think I have to make it locations first, and then we can make the charity because this one has location ID. Okay, equals group.create, charities.create. So let's now go to charities. And we can't do charities first, we have to do locations first. So we're going to go to locations, .create. Okay, auto increment true. Address. Address is going to be address. There we go. City is going to be city. And this is what I hate. I mean, I don't like it when they have the same variables. State is going to be state. what is going to be, because I'm just making this up, because we have to eventually bring in Geo Pandas, but I'll be dealing with that later. And those are neither legitimate latitude or longitudes. Okay, good. New group, new location. Equals await locations dot create. Let's just make sure this works before we move on. And then we could go to now const new charity equals await charities dot create. Boom, boom, boom. Now let's figure this out. Founder, founder, name, name, about, purpose, purpose. Now we got the location ID. Crap. Do I have to fetch it, or do I actually get something when I'm done with this? If it's actually going to return it. That's what I'm wondering. So let's see if you're done thinking yet. We're just going to go to Bard. Not Bard, Google Gemini. There we go. New location.id. I still have not fleshed this out 100% yet, but good. Okay, so they just want me to do some basic crap at that point. Okay, so you're saying that's good. Yeah, and you obviously need to do a res.json. Res.json, new location, new charity. Alright, let's see what we got now. That crashed. Charities.private cannot be null. Enter into locations. Good, so that worked. Which is terrible because now everything's just gonna locations. Yep. So we got that to work. Which just sucks because now we have to. I don't know. I guess we could have two locations for the same address. I just don't know if that's gonna do that well or not. So let's just go to charities. Did we even get a private or anything originally from this stuff? What did we get from direct.body? Man. Should factory. Yeah, we didn't even get one. Oh, no, private. True. Okay, so that's good. Private. Private. Okay, let's just do this again. Let's see what happens. So we got that. And let's do this. And see if it crashes. And yeah, it does. Charity location ID cannot be null. This is weird. So, do we have a second one or no? Did it, or was it like. Yeah, we got the second one. Let's see what the hell happened here. Yeah, this is weird. Okay, so now let's go to bring this back up. Bring this back up. Figure out what we're doing wrong. And I see exactly what we're doing wrong. No, and that's not going to be the solution either. It's going to be that. And let's do this again. Valid status code. Okay, so we got some. So, charities. That part works. Founder 1. I don't want that. I want. Founder. Hmm. What are we sending from the front end? If I could get this person's username, it might be easier. Alright, components, groups, create group. Create group. Const new group, session user dot username. Now let's just go from there. Alright. Let's just delete you. You're gonna crash. Like, everything's gonna crash. Everything's gonna frickin' suck. Let's just wipe this out. And I don't even know why the hell I'm doing this. This is what happens when you don't sleep. So we go here. And no, we don't go there. We have to go here because we're doing npx equalize db seed all. Good, now we can npm start. And npm start. And we have one of the most shitty create routes known to man. If not the shittiest. Alright, there. Lose rings, password. Alright. Out. Let's see what the heck. Are we getting sent anywhere at the end of this or no? Yeah, navigate.push. That's bizarre. Okay, so let's just now put in a proper res.json instead of this crap. That can be done by wrapping it. There we go. Now let's... now we're getting somewhere. Insert. Good. We got another insert. Now we're getting some ID at group reducer. So what do we got for the reducer? Do they just want one? If they just want one, I'll just give them one. .id. What have we got for... I don't know, I don't know. How do I usually return these things? That's just ID. Okay, so let's figure this out. It is ID. Right there. All this chlor. Okay. Create group thunk. Console.log. I am data. Data. And I'm going to figure out what the hell this is. Alright. Yeah, this thing definitely does not persist. Why did I even think it did? Bloody hell. Alright. Yeah, we got a lot of these now. That's great. So, they're populating. And it's not getting a beautiful, nice little return. And the only way you're going to test that out is by making a whole new freaking thing. Let's just figure out what the hell I did with the old one. Password. And yes, I need to get some better validation and stuff for this route, but I need to figure out what I could do. Let's just get a. Where's .json new group? Work.user.id. Maybe it's a piece of this username crap. No, but none of it wouldn't matter really. We got ooh. Right. Alright, let's make a new group. We had the console set up. And then let's just call it a day. No, I don't want to here. I want to live in there. And I don't want this address. I want this address. Update hotkey settings. Okay. Reading ID. Let's figure out what this console log is. I am data. Object. New charity. Okay, let's see if I can get you to actually work now. I think this thing collapsed. Like, sometimes this thing gets overloaded. Probably just with idiots like myself. Good. And let's get the code. And let's just give them the. Did I send that to him? I don't think I did. And we had to do that. That's it. Maybe easier to fix it in the back end. Here is the unvalidated code in the back end. Would the Okay, yeah, you want to action dot payload dot new charity. I mean, you could change the back end for the front end, like I wanted to do. Alright, create group. Okay. Okay, good. Alright, let's try this one more time. The validation still needs to be ensured. Let's make another organization. And we could do this and this. And we'll describe the group as being this. Navigate.push is not a function. No error. We're getting somewhere. So let's figure out what the hell we did wrong. Group stock create group. All the way up here. You know that. Navigate.push. Navigate.push. Navigate equals use navigate. I think that's how it works. Let's just check. These are just nav links. Okay, I think it's navigate. Where in this whole frickin' thing do I have something just to double check that? I have a navigate.push. Well, I haven't done that yet. There we go. Okay, so that works. And was this the one I did? Yeah, I think that purpose started with 23. Alright, so we could say these things work. I want to test this out. Oh, cool, yes. And that's one way of testing if the delete, yeah, execute and delete were good. So that part worked. I think. So landing page, no index, destroy group, navigate. Today we learned something. It goes there. And you get rid of this push. Alright, and we could delete some of these other things. Remove. 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 Finally add one more organization. 666 Hill Parkway, New Jersey. P.S. Hell's in New Jersey. Shit. Shit. Shit factory. Their barriers, yes. Okay, good, and remove it. Alright, so we're good. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful day. This is North Sentinel Island, signing out.